I'm going to sublimate on dark fabric today. First, we pull up our image and we send our image mirrored rather, over to our cutter. Put our mat down and cut it. We'll be cutting on Sublimation Heat Transfer Vinyl so that we're able to sublimate on top of this. This is the only vinyl you want to sublimate on top of. Once you have cut your image, you want to now print your image. We're going to print our image onto our Epson. Get our preferences out. We want to make sure we do it on 11 by 17 because it's a pretty large image. We want to have it on a premium paper. We want to make sure that it's on high ink because we're going to sublimate. And we're going to make it hit OK. Then we apply it. Then we'll send it to the printer. And we're printing on an Epson 1500. We're using Crafting Besties sublimation paper. A little mixture here. Once we have our image, we're going to cut our image out so it's easy for us to overlay it on top of our sublimation vinyl. This also removes any kind of stray or blotchy ink marks that may actually print onto the vinyl. I'm going to make sure we do that. Now we're going to line up our image with our vinyl. When we line up our image with our vinyl, I want it over slightly at the top. The bottom, I want it square on the white. At the top, I want it a little bit over because she has black hair. And that black on black may not show very well. So she's slightly over to the right at the top. Raise temperature 360 degrees for 60 seconds. Place our paper first. Then we'll put our Teflon down on top of the paper. There's also a Teflon sheet underneath the t-shirt as well. So for 60 seconds at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. And once we've pressed it, we pull it off. We see our image, and you'll see I put a little extra tape on there, keep it from moving. And then you'll see the white shadow right behind it, so that the black on black hair, the black hair on black t-shirt showed with the little white shadow behind it. So we had the image slightly over to the right. And that's our white shadow that we intended for the back. You can always just, sublimate it flush on. Now we're going to get our writing done. So we're going to lay our image, our vinyl down. This is heat transfer, regular pink heat transfer vinyl. It's matte finish, even though it looks glossy on one side. And we notice that it's going to be like 4 inches below the image, so we cut it properly. Lay it on our mat. Place it into our machine. And we start cutting. Now it's the fun part, and that's the weeding. And we get all of the insides out so that this, which is Edwardian script, which is kind of difficult to weed, difficult to peel, we want to make sure we get that right. So we weeded it, we place it down on the mat. We're going to use a little tape, a little roller to get that lint off. We press it and we peel it warm. And there we go. Feeling pretty today. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.